Hi, this is Raymond Aaron, a silver leader in Young Living, and I just got my order for the month of September 2021. Why so late? I don't know. They took a long time delivering. They took like 7 days before it even left the plant. So I guess they're very, very busy. I guess lots of people are enrolling, and the downside is they're having trouble keeping up. So it's kind of good and bad news. Anyways, here's my unboxing party, and I think you're gonna have a lot of fun. First of all, and I'm sorry that it's open, but I couldn't stand it. I had to start eating it. It's a little hard to read, but it says chocolate-coated Wolfberry crisp bars. Chocolate-coated Wolfberry crisp bars. You get, I don't know, about 8 of them or so in a box. And, oh, it says 10. Yeah, 10. And they're really low-cal. And they're delicious. Watch. You want to see how delicious they are? Watch this. I'm opening it up. And there it is. You can see the Wolfberries are in there, and it's chocolate-coated. And watch this. Oh. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. It's so good. It's so good. Chocolate-coated Wolfberries. Chocolate-coated Wolfberry crisp bars. Oh my God. It's so good. Now, next is the mandatory Ninja. The mandatory Ninja. There's 4 bottles. That's a month's supply. That's 166 Canadian in Canada, 136 US in the United States, and about 128 pounds sterling. You get charged in your own currency, but I live with, and by the way, I ordered 8 of them last month because I use more than 6, so every so often I double up because I love it. And this is an extra promo item. If you order a lot, they send you extra stuff. This time I got spearmint. Ooh, spearmint. Oh, you know how lovely it is to eat spearmint gum? Well, this is I can actually smell it through that. Wow. So that's good. And now, oh my gosh, we ran out of our delicious Thieves Toothpaste. So I ordered Thieves Toothpaste. And you know the pumps, the foaming hand soap comes in a little jar like this and you pump it. Well, when you run out, instead of throwing it out, which is ecologically wrong, they sell these huge tanks, and they come in 4 flavors. One is the Christmas flavor that's only available at Christmas time, but they also have luscious lemon, which is delicious, Thieves, which is scrumptious, and lavender. I think it's lavender. Anyways, I just when one gets low, I order a different refill flavor. And you might say, but Raymond, you might have a Thieves pump and it'll have a luscious lemon inside. I know. So what? So what? Anyways, next is einkorn flour. Einkorn flour. And it comes in this bag, sealed bag. And I want to tell you about einkorn. Einkorn is a very old grain. It has like 14 chromosomes instead of 40 chromosomes. Honest to God, I don't even know what that means. And it just means it's like old-fashioned or something. And apparently, Dr. Young went to the Mesopotamia and actually found it and brought it back. And what's interesting is farmers used to let their fields lie fallow. That means they don't use their fields every 7th year in order for the soil to rejuvenate. These days, farmers say, to heck with it, and they just load it up with fertilizers and pesticides and herbicides, and they use it every year. And Young Living requires that their fields lay fallow every 7th year. But what they found, to their surprise, is that if you grow einkorn, EINKORN, if you grow that kind of flour, it actually rejuvenates the soil. So you can actually make money from your land, and it rejuvenates the soil as if you let it lie fallow. And so I've never tried einkorn flour, but we're going to do that. We're going to make waffles or whatever, bread. My daughter's coming over, we're going to make bread. And the next thing is this box. What is this box? What is this box? And here it is. You open it up, and what's inside? Einkorn spaghetti. Einkorn. E-I-N-K-O-R-N. Einkorn spaghetti. Now, if you watched this unboxing video last month, you remember I ordered 25 Einkorn spaghettis. No, we have not been carbo loading on spaghetti, but my wife decided that we want to have a really stocked shelf in our basement for the winter. She wants to be stocked for the winter. If anything, heaven forbid, happens, we'll have a lot of stuff ready. And so I got, on top of the 25 we got last month, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. I can't even handle them all. And what else did we get? Oh yes, I love this. Breakfast cereal. Did you know that Young Living, even though is famous for being an essential oil company, also makes breakfast cereal? And what is it? Einkorn. What is it? Einkorn. Einkorn flakes. It's like Frosted Flakes, like Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, corn flakes, but it's not coated in sugar, and it's made out of real wholesome einkorn. And I got one of them, but I thought we might run out, so I got another one. And in case we run out, I've got another one. And my daughter's coming to live with us, so we got another one. And just in case, I got another one. And oh my gosh, I also got another one. And just to be sure, I got another one. And then what I did was, I got another one. I got lots of them. Why? Well, we store it in the basement and we eat it a lot. And sometimes we have it as an evening snack. And you know what I do? Since I don't consume dairy, I don't have any dairy at all in my diet. And so how do I have breakfast cereal? Well, I don't know if you'll like this or not, but I put water instead of milk in my breakfast cereal. And then I pour in, wait till you hear it, I pour in Ningxia Red. I pour in this guy. And so my breakfast cereal has a different flavor than yours because it's water and it's also Ningxia. And Ningxia has a great flavor. And so I don't have to have any dairy. Anyways, that's what I got, and it's a lot. It's a lot. And I love that I get a lot. Anyways, that's my unboxing party for September. Bye-bye.